Hi everyone, it's Mary, Cajun DIY Diva, and today we stayed in the
today we are at the
Westin, New Orleans. I tell you what, this room, the best thing about this room was the incredible view of the French Quarter.
Let's check out this room.
So let's start out by heading at the entrance door.
It is the king room.
So there you see the bathroom is on the left, right there, with the stand-up shower, standard bathroom,
Regular sink,
everything you need. Had the hair dryer.
White tea.
I would say this hotel had there's your amenity, your type of products that are available. Did not have individual shampoos and stuff because it's mounted on the wall like a lot of hotels do now. But it's just nice shower.
Body.
You know, basic, everything normal. Little shelf right there.
And it has
or, you know, you could probably put some of your toiletries there if you need to. So turn around and, yeah, there's your
right there.
Towels,
Big
hair dryer.
Mirror.
There was a full-length mirror, closet.
Okay, so in the closet
with your
standard
ironing board,
safe,
and the safe, and a luggage rack. So
there is kind of an abstract
this room, if I had to say anything negative about the room, it would be that there was not any USB ports that I could find, and it just had that basic kind of coffee maker.
See any?
Sorry,
just a Mr. Coffee maker.
Video is a little bouncy.
A refrigerator.
I guess I was in a hurry when I was taking this video. It did have a refrigerator. It's just a refrigerator, not a mini bar. And this is in downtown New Orleans, right on the edge of the French Quarter. This was like a standard king room.
Already.
So there's your king size bed.
And cute little.
And it did have this little chaise lounge. And right out the window, you can see the Mississippi River. There straight ahead is Jack's Brewery and Jackson Square.
Fantastic view.
We are right on the edge of the French Quarter.
Fantastic view of the French Quarter.
And you can see, looking out, you can see the riverboat docked right there. There's St. Louis Cathedral. There's even some blue roofs because of a recent storm. And you look at the river, and that is Algiers Point neighborhood that's straight across from the French Quarter, a historic neighborhood. So there you see the riverboat docked right there. That's one of the local riverboats, not one of the big ones that does cruises.
Cathedral is. So this is
that one does like dinner cruises. So yeah, here's the room.
This is Cajun DIYDiva.
Very comfortable bed. We had a good night's sleep in there. The bench was nice at the end of the bed. But like I said, I recommend you bring an extension cord to plug in your devices because
subscribe to my channel.
If you sleep on that left side of the bed, you don't have a place to plug in your phone. Here's another photo, more of a close-up of Jackson Square, and oh, I got to see a cruise ship departing, because it was Saturday when we were there, and this is about 4:30 at night, and so now I'll show you, we went to Mr. B's for brunch the next day. Hubby got the famous barbecued shrimp, and I got the fried oysters with the poached eggs and spinach, which is very delicious. And you have to have that extra French bread to dip into the sauce from the barbecued shrimp because it's amazing. So thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and like this channel. Thank you.